Overlanding. It's more than just a hobby, it's a way of life. For me, every journey starts with a spark of adventure, a yearning for exploration, and a quest for serenity. It's about stepping away from the noise of everyday life and embracing the open road. The moment I set foot on the trails, I can feel the world's weight lift off my shoulders. The serenity found in nature's embrace is unparalleled. Whether it's a quiet morning by a glistening stream or a breathtaking sunset casting shadows over the mountains, these experiences ground me. They remind me of the beauty that exists beyond the confines of the daily grind. Every trail taken is a thread in the fabric of my adventures. Each turn of the wheel unveils treasures hidden from the everyday eye. It's the thrill of discovering places untouched and the joy of uncovering stories held within the shadows. Overlanding feeds my curiosity and fosters a sense of adventure that drives me day after day. But overlanding isn't just about the destination. It's also about the connections we forge along the way. Laughter, meals, shared challenges create bonds that last a lifetime. The overlanding community welcomes you with open arms, a tribe united by a passion for discovery and a love for the wild. In these landscapes, I find an escape from the clutches of routine. Wildlife encounters remind me of the intricate dance of life that unfolds all around us. The simplicity of being present ignites an appreciation for the world that is often overshadowed by our daily grind. So welcome to my journey, where serenity meets adventure, and exploration leads to the heart of what it means to be alive. Join me as we venture into the wild, and let's uncover the stories that await on the road ahead. This is the allure of overlanding, a celebration of nature, adventure, and freedom of the open road.